Today we're going to be teaching you how to mix Wakacon kava. What you're going to need is Wakacon kava, water, a bowl, spoon, and strainer. The lecithin and blender are optional depending on your style. For a single serving, 3 to 4 tablespoons to 1 cup kava to 2 cups water. Group serving, 1 cup kava to 1 1/2 gallon water. The water should be warm to touch or lukewarm. For the next step, we're going to use the Wakacon strainer bag. This bag is sold separately but worth every dollar. It's portable, easy to use, and easy to clean. Pour the kava in, fasten the string tightly so nothing gets out, and begin to knead for 5 to 10 minutes for the best results. Begin to add water as needed. More water means less potency, and less water is more potency. Does the kava feel oily? Then you're doing it right. If not, knead for a little bit longer for better results. And that's it. Serve it, sit back, and enjoy the vibe.